Let's see how we can add Google Maps to our web page with the help of the iframe tag. So I'm gonna maximize our browser and open a new tab, and here I'm gonna write maps.google.com, then hit enter. You can see Google Maps got opened. Let me change the language of Google Maps. So I'm gonna go to the settings, and the language would be English United States. And here I'm gonna search an address, for example Los Angeles. You can see the city here, and you will have a share button. Click on that share button. Then there is the option which is embed a map. You can see we have a HTML code with the iframe tag. Let's copy this by clicking on this copy HTML button, then minimize the browser, and in our body I'm gonna paste that code. Save the file, and I'm gonna go back to our home page. You can see in our web page Google Maps got displayed. Here we have some attributes in the iframe tag. So there is a source where we have the Google Maps link. Then we have the width attribute, which is set to 600 pixel. The height is 450 pixel. It has some CSS styling which said that the border is 0, and there is an attribute which is allow full screen, and the loading attribute is set to lazy. This means the map will be loaded lazily in the browser. And this is a policy attribute which is not related to our topic in this video. So you can see how easily we can embed Google Map to our web page with the help of the iframe tag.